dangerous is a tube burst in the thermal power boil. High temperature, high pressure steam pipelines, exposed and operating day after day at several 100 degrees Celsius. Corrosion and erosion gradually thin the tube walls, with hidden risks building up every second.
Traditional inspection full of limitations. Oxide layer on pipe surface by a zinc as armor. Conventional ultrasonic testing can't even test.
You can't get close to the several 100-degree heat. Breathing damages the pipe wall. Removing insulation is time-consuming and disruptive to production. BRK electromagnetic ultrasonic thickness gauge, the expert for high-temperature pipeline inspection. 800 degrees Celsius high-temperature probe directly face the hot pipe wall. No cooling required. No couplant. No grading. Penetrate oxide layer for precise measurement. No disassembling, no damage, without shutting down or interrupting production. No pipe damage, no production delays. Detect hazard earlier. Zero risk of tube burst. BRK electromagnetic ultrasonic technology conquers the challenge of high-temperature pipeline inspection. Professional non-destructive testing, safeguarding power plant operations. Welcome to inquire and cooperate.